Hi everyone, thanks for returning. Today we're going to be making a yellow ox heart tomato and chicken pasta with some fresh herbs. First we're just going to start with adding some olive oil straight into our pan. I'm just going to grab some chicken and we're going to want to put that straight into the pan. Give the chicken a bit of a mix around, trying not to burn any of it. Once it's cooked, we're going to want to add in some Spanish onion. Give the onions a nice mix around until they're nice and soft. Then we're going to want to add straight into the pan. We're going to want to add our yellow capsicum. Then we're going to give that another mix around before adding the herbs. Now I'm just going to sprinkle in some salt, pepper, thyme and a bit of onion powder. Give that a shake around and a mix around and just make sure there's no lumps left in it. Now it's time to grab the yellow ox heart tomatoes and add them into the pan. Now we're going to want to cook these for probably about 15 minutes till they break down and become a nice sauce. We'll grab the wooden spoon, we'll give it another mix around, and it's going to come out as a beautiful orange yellowy sauce. Add in a dash of cream, not too much, just a bit, and then give that a whole nother mix around. Give it a sprinkle of some fresh oregano and some fresh basil. Give that another mix around and you're done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, come back next week for a new episode.